Good morning, kindergartners. So we are going to talk today a little bit about our teen numbers again. And before, we were talking about composing teen numbers. So taking 10 and some ones and putting it together to make a teen number. Now we're going to start talking about taking a teen number apart. It's called decomposing a teen number. So we have our teen number and we're going to break it in to tens, a 10, and some ones. So here we go. This is the question I'm going to ask you to think about first today. So it's the Shark swim team won 15 trophies. They want to organize them into these two cases. How would you organize them? What you're going to do is you're going to try to think of a way in a moment to organize these. There are a lot of correct answers. So you can write your answer on your workspace. And then I'm going to show you what we're going to start thinking about today with this lesson. So first, think about 15. Use your workspace to draw 15 circles and try to break them into two groups or organize them into these shelves. However you want to draw it to get your thinking down, that's great. So pause the video now and try. So this is how I'm going to organize them. When I organize things, because the Shark swim team might win some more trophies, I'm going to make sure that the trophies are in every single spot they could be. I'm not going to skip any spots with this when I put them into the case, or in this case, it's the 10 frame. So watch me as I fill this one up, and then I'm going to keep organizing the rest of them. 1, 3, 4, 5. All right, so now I now have a nice organized case of trophies. 2 cases, actually. So in this first 10 frame, how many trophies do you see? Well, the 10 frame is filled. So I would see 10 trophies in there. I actually don't even have to count them because I know a 10 frame has 10 trophies. So if it's filled, there are 10. Then this 10 frame, I'm looking and I'm seeing there are 5 trophies. Now I could count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or I also know that each row in a 10 frame has 5. Then there's my 5 trophies. So you can see that on this page, I have the same question up top. The Shark swim team won 15 trophies. They want to organize them into 2 cases. How could you organize them? There are some other ways that you could have organized them that are correct, but we're going to be talking about how teen numbers are 10 and some more ones. So that's why we organized it this way. So let's look here. We have our 10, which we're actually going to just move up here because 15 equals or is 10 and 5 ones. So that would be our number sentence when we take our teen number and we break it into 10 and some more ones. Let's try another one together. So Paul has 17 pairs of shoes. He wants to organize them into these shelves. How many pairs go on each shelf? So what we're going to do is first, I'm going to count this time to fill up these 10 frames. You can pause the video now and try this to figure out how to break up 17 into 10 and some ones. All right, so count with me as I put these pairs of shoes into the 10 frames. And again, this time I want to fill up the first case because Paul might get more shoes. So here we go. I'm going to count up to 17 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's one frame filled. So keep counting on. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And in that case, that's correct. 17 is our hole. So now Paul has filled up his 17 spots with his blue shoes. I guess Paul really likes blue. And now let's figure out what our two parts are. So when we break apart 17 into 10 and some ones, so this first 10 frame is filled. If the 10 frame is filled, we know that there are 10 shoes in it. So there's our 10. And now this second 10 frame, let's see how many are in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 shoes in that second 10 frame. So we now know that 17 is 10 and 7 ones. So that's how we break apart a teen number. You're going to work on this skill for a little bit, and then I'll see you again when we start talking about something different. Have a great day.